direction our marriage is going. I suppose. You know, like we always do if we have problems. We solve it on our own. So I want to apologize. I let my ego get the best of me, and I shouldn't have done that. I'm really sorry.
Tuwai masnika ako akakosha frankazi wako nyangwe shikanza undidi undi disrespect pavan inini pana patinorara nenzara tinoswera nenzara but handina pandakambokudisrespecta in your absence. Yo kati no masneakers angu msabate ngatoshika Grace.
Baby, please.
See. Are you sure?
Yes. Baby, please.
Ananoda masneakers ako friend.
No. Baby. This reminds me of the first time I met you. And it's been part of our journey. This is the only good thing Jasara since the lockdown. Babe. Let's fix this. Let's fix us.